Hi guys, so in this section we will discuss about date. Okay, so to declare a date, okay, so simply you have to use input type equal to date, and we are giving name to this day. Okay, and just one more field I declare here is called input type number, so it will accept only number. Okay, it won't accept anything other than number. Okay, so that way you can define a date box. Okay, now see how this work. So just refresh the page. See, this date, month, year, everything will come here. Okay, now complete calendar will open. Here this is number. You want to type text, it won't come anything. Okay, you only type number. One more thing in done in number is like we define min is 1 and max is 10 number. So when you enter any there greater than 10, it will give error. Okay, when you enter 10, it will accept. Okay, so that way you can define date and number input type. Thank you.